Jeremiah 32:13 says, "Woe to him who builds his house with unrighteousness and his chambers with injustice, who deprives labor without wages." It's very clear. When you are having your earnings, to avoid curses, to avoid every kind of trouble in future, do things in a righteous way, follow justice, and don't deprive the laborers of their wages. Receive blessings from human beings and from God, and live a blessed life. God bless you.